Hi, everyone. Wonderful having you on the Skype call just a few minutes ago for our final poster presentation. Really thrilled with what you did. I am creating a brief tutorial right here to show you how to transfer your files. So we have talked before about how to upload files to R, right? I'm in my project right now, and I can go to Upload, and I can say, hey, I would love to upload this CSV or this zip file. I have a zip file called pref, short for Japanese prefectures. All right, and I can upload it, and boom, there it is, right at the bottom. Okay, here's the thing. Your RStudio Cloud projects are probably going to disappear soon. So what can you do? Well, you can click here on each of these cells. You can also hold down Shift and select a bunch of them. And then you can export them. So let's click just these ones. All right, so I'm going to go to More right here. I'm going to click Export. And it's going to export these multiple files as a zip folder. I don't know, we'll call this My RStudio Cloud Files. Great. And then, depending on the size, it might take a moment or two, but it's going to download. And I will go over here to my files. And hey, there it is. There it is. And I can look in it and see my files all right there. So then you could create your own new project. Now this, I'm going to show you mine real quick. So over here, you can see that you've had this space right here, polls 2400 quantitative techniques, where all of your projects have been. This is going to go away soon, but your workspace will always be here. And so you can see that I have made a lot of projects in my workspace. It kind of helps me stay organized. You can click right here and make a new project. And then you can wait a little bit while it deploys the project. This could take a few seconds. Who knows? One important thing to remember as you make a new project in your workspace is that this project will only have the base stuff that RStudio Cloud comes with. It won't have tidyverse, so you're going to have to install tidyverse yourself. Hopefully, this process will speed along in a moment, and I will show you exactly how to do that. Oh, great, here we are. Okay, so I can now go to Upload right here. So let's just show you how I did that. I went to Upload, and I went to My RStudio Cloud Files. And there they are, boom, in a new project. That's all your own, that's in your workspace. And I can call it my great new project because I am so excited about it. All right, and we can go back and go to Global Options under Tools to make things look cool, right? Because that is actually the most important thing here. Ooh, yeah, the Dracula theme, let's go with that. All right, great, so things are almost looking exactly the same. We can start a new R script by going up here. And we can say, hey, let's try to run tidyverse. Uh-oh, error in library tidyverse. There is no package called tidyverse. Now, R is really smart, and it will tell you, hey, package tidyverse is required, but it's not installed. Do you want to install it? You could click this button. You could click this install button. You could also do this. Boom. And unfortunately, this is going to take a little while, so I'm probably not going to actually finish the installation process. It'll take like 2 minutes, but I'm going to show you how I would install all the others as well. So using the same thing, I could install the car package. This gives me the VIF function. And actually, let's install the modern dive package too. For get regression table. And let's also then install the infer package. This is going to give you things like specify and calculate, anything you need for your permutation tests. Remember also that Gapminder and NYC flights were all packages, so you'll have to install them too if you want. So you would just run each of these to get those packages onto your new project. I hope that this has been helpful. If you ever have questions about getting started in R again, please shoot me an email. I'm so happy to help. Finally, just really great work this term. I hope that you feel like you've learned a lot of coding because you have. You guys have become really excellent coders, and I'm excited to see what you do with it. All right, thanks for your time, and have a good one.